Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Claude AI to VSCode for smarter coding and faster development. Let's get started. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Now go to the Extensions tab from the left sidebar. In the search bar, type an extension that supports Claude AI, like Continue or any Claude-compatible AI extension. Click on the extension and press the Install button. Once installed, open the extension settings. Now you'll need your Claude API key. Go to the Claude or Anthropic website, log in, and generate your API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the extension settings inside VSCode. Save the settings to complete the connection. Now open any project or file in VSCode. You can start using Claude AI by opening the command palette or chat panel. Ask questions, generate code, or edit your files using AI. Claude can read your code and help with multi-file changes, debugging, and more. If everything is set up correctly, you'll now have AI-powered coding directly inside your editor. And that's it. You've successfully connected Claude AI to VSCode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.